But she's a.
Here.
I jumped out of the bed and I kissed my dogs and my wife in that order.
So as you can see, we have the audio waveform above it, and we have the text under it. And when we play back, the text and the audio should play back at the same time. So let's try it. So let's remove the word my here, and just type the word Jordan. And here we go.
And I kissed Jordan and my dogs.
Okay, so we remove those words and we do 3 times.
And I kissed Jordan 3 times.